Familiar with a Gantt chart, you might find that this is a very similar strategy to keeping track of where students are up to in a project. So I'm going to go create, and I'm going to go create a spreadsheet. And I could format this to make this quite nicely, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put here a list of tasks that need to be done. So this could be: one is the project plan, two, production exercises, three, shooting, four, editing, five, published to YouTube, and six, evaluation. So I've got my task down here, and I might just bold that, and I could put some nice color formatting in here and set it up. And then what I'm going to put across the top here is group 1, group 2, and obviously I could make this a bit better. Group 3, group 4, and group 5. This is a slightly name and shame type approach, which I guess is probably not the greatest in some ways. What the expectation would be is once that the spreadsheet was shared, so let's just call this group update on progress, save, and then we can share it to all the people in the class we need to share it with. The expectation is that each person in the group would come in here and go yes when it's completed, or visually probably would be even nicer if we actually had a strategy where we said, alright, you have to come in and color in the sections that you have complete. Creating that sort of Gantt chart where it's not time based across the top, but instead it's group based. But because it's shared and everyone can see where each other's up to, hopefully that keeps people accountable and would really help us to be able to keep track of who's doing what at any point in time. It clearly says this people are behind schedule and could be a really handy way of identifying those who need a bit of extra help and assistance.